about Suno AI and Udio. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Suno AI and Udio are both tools that can be used to make music with AI. The first thing we'll be talking about will be the ease of use versus the editing depth. Suno AI offers a more intuitive, beginner-friendly interface with quick song generation and versatile access. You can access Suno AI on the web and create from the web directly. You can connect to Discord by clicking on this link down here and joining the Suno AI Discord channel, which is ideal for non-musicians, but it lacks Udio's advanced remix and audio ink painting tools for detailed refinements. Udio provides a cleaner layout for hands-on editing, trading simplicity for more producer-style control. Let's compare the audio quality and creativity. Udio excels in higher fidelity, polished vocals, harmonious compositions, and human-like results, making it better for professional outputs but can feel more conventional and less innovative. Suno prioritizes creative genre blending and imaginative tracks, often at the cost of occasional odd or robotic elements in vocal and structure. Now let's talk about features and customizations versus song length. Suno includes advanced timeline editing, 12-stem separation, granular controls, and 8-minute audio uploads suiting fast iteration and DAW exports. Udio, on the other hand, supports 15-minute track. It supports collaborative tools and voice style reference. It also has simpler editing without timeline or as many stems as Suno. Now let's talk about pricing and value versus commercial safety. Suno is more generous with their pricing. For the free plan, they have 50 credits that renews daily and you have 10 songs. For the pro plan, you have $8 a month, and for the premium plan, you have $24 a month. Udio, on the other hand, also has a free tier, which gives you 10 credits per day. For the standard version, you have $8 a month. For the pro version, you have $24 a month. Lastly, let's talk about the speed and the polish of both Udio and Suno. Suno delivers a more consistent and faster structure across 1,200 genres, whilst Udio is slower because it has more detailed, cohesive mixes. For the overall recommendation, if you want a quick, creative solo project that is cost-efficient, I suggest you choose Suno. But if you want high-quality collaborative work with longer tracks, then I suggest you choose Udio. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see you.